My name is Samir. For a long time, I was afraid of criticism. If someone pointed out my mistake, I felt hurt. If someone corrected me, I felt embarrassed. If someone gave feedback, I started doubting myself. Because of this, I avoided situations where people could judge me. When I spoke English, I spoke very little. When I wrote something, I kept it to myself. I thought, if no one sees my mistakes, no one will criticize me. But this thinking stopped my growth. One day, our teacher asked us to read a paragraph in English. I knew I might make mistakes, but I tried. While reading, I mispronounced a few words. After I finished, the teacher corrected me. At first, I felt uncomfortable. I thought everyone noticed my mistakes. After class, I felt low. But then my teacher called me. He said, "Samir, why do you look upset?" I replied, "I made mistakes." He smiled and said, "That's how you learn." He continued, "Criticism is not always negative. Sometimes it shows you how to improve." His words made me think. That evening, I reflected on what happened. The teacher did not insult me, he helped me. The next day, I tried something different. When I practiced English, I asked a friend to correct me. At first, it felt uncomfortable, but slowly, I improved. I learned correct pronunciation. I understood my mistakes. Days passed. My confidence grew because I stopped fearing criticism. Now, when someone corrects me, I listen carefully. I ask myself, what can I learn from this? Because I understand something important. Criticism is not your enemy. It is your teacher. If you accept it calmly, it helps you grow. Final thought. Do not fear criticism. Use it to improve yourself. Growth comes from learning your mistakes. Ending line, keep learning English. Keep improving every day. And always remember, criticism can guide you if you are willing to learn.